We are hitting legs. No, we're not hitting legs. We are hitting arms today. We're doing bis and tries. And this, I didn't come yesterday because we was in a snowstorm, and I shoveled yesterday once. I had to shovel again today, and it's crazy because today that crap was so icy and so thick, and at the top of my block, the plow came through, so trying to even get out of my driveway was wild, bro. So I'm actually really tired, my back hurt, and I was like, man, after being drenched in sweat, should I even come? But I made it, so clap for me because I want to cook it. But what's up, man? Welcome to another episode of Manifesting Stardom. This is my life behind the scenes of being the biggest star in the world. You know, if I'm gonna be the biggest star in the world, I gotta have the best body ever. And so, we're hitting legs today. I mean, why do I keep saying legs? We're not hitting legs. We're hitting bis and tries today. You know, we always start with core, always start with abs, and we go for an hour. Try to get it done try to get a full workout within this hour. I put my tracking strength training, and I put on my hour timer to make sure we managing our time properly. And I'm playing my book, and here we go. I'm doing what am I doing? I'm doing 155. Third set. I used to do 195 pounds with this. I took it down to 135 so that I can be more conscious of my joints. And so what I'm going to try to do is go a little slower and do a few more reps. I normally would do 8 reps, but I'm going to try to hit like maybe 12. Of course, proper form is always important. Bad. I feel like it's too light, but gotta be patient and take it up a little bit. Second set. Yeah, that burn. Third set, and I feel it, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Third set. my last set. I'm gonna go back to 180 because I need it to be heavy enough for my body weight. Second set. All right, third set. No lie, I feel that shit worse than when I was going heavier, for real, for real. I think because I'm prioritizing speed and form as opposed to just trying to get a heavy ass weight. So maybe that's why my shit on fire. All right, it's my last set here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Back up, back down to 150. Second set. Good, good. back to biceps. I'm gonna go a lot lighter because I think I need to. I'm at 110 pounds. Might be a little too light. I think I can go a little heavier. Second set, I took it up from 130 to, no, I took it from 110 to 135. Still kind of light. Alright, it's time to get naked. I took the weight up to 150 now from 135. So, slow and steady. By the way, I'm at the devil's area of my water bottle. It's the hardest part because it looks like it's not a lot, but it's hella water left. I can't remember if that was my third or my fourth set in this bicep curl. All right, last set we had 150. I might not make it to might not make it to 10. So let's try. I feel like this muscle about to lock. All right, this is another tricep exercise. This is the tricep extension, which I kind of did over there, but this is seated. So it's going to hit it differently. I'm going to do 140 pounds. So try to be slow and steady. It's not that heavy. I'll be talking to y'all, but I'll be missing out on my book.
All right, this is my third set at 150. My second at 150, but my third set overall. I think that was my third. This is my last set. Whew. I think I'm gonna just go for it. Might not be able to go as slow though. Get it. All right, we on biceps now. I'm gonna go with 140 again. I burned 340 calories so far. I got 14 minutes to go. So let's make it happen. That wasn't heavy, but doing it slow just it's hard. Second set. Third set. Not going slow. Is going slow at a lighter weight is insane. That shit got my shit burning, bro. $385 calories burned. The goal is 400. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, we getting big, baby. We in the hood now, baby. Okay, what we doing now for my last 5 minutes? I'm going to do some tricep extensions. Why can't I talk? I usually do like 35 pounds, but I think I'm gonna do 30. I'll do 30. I'll do 30 pounds. Really fatigued, and I want to try to really strengthen this muscle. So let's see, or let's go. Not let's see. But crack kills. Tight ass shorts. I ran out of time, so I'm gonna just do this last set and I'm gonna be done for the day. Cause I'm at 442 calories, so nope, I ain't tripping. All right, y'all. I'm at 448 calories at 61 minutes. That's my buys and tries for the day, man. Thank y'all for tuning in for another episode of Manifesting Stardom. This is behind the scenes of me being the biggest star in the world.